You know the problems with conventional metal or plastic gears. Metal gears are heavy and noisy. Whether enclosed in gearboxes or as open gearing, metal gears must be regularly lubricated, creating a burden on your maintenance personnel. In addition, oil leakage from housings and seals and loose grease can contaminate and ruin paper, pharmaceuticals, or sensitive cleanroom processes. Plastic gears are lighter and run without lubrication, but they can absorb moisture, losing both tensile strength and dimensional stability. Teeth break or wear out. Gears must be replaced frequently, causing equipment repair and downtime headaches. Plus, at high operating temperatures, all plastic gears can expand and pull away from the shaft. When that happens, the weakened gears don't mesh smoothly and teeth wear out prematurely, chip, or break. Now you have a third choice in gears: Intech PowerCore technology. Innovative plastic on metal gears that give you all the strengths of metal and the advantages of plastic gears with none of their weaknesses. Intech PowerCore gears consist of a high-strength, non-hygroscopic outer plastic rim and teeth on a rigid metal inner core. The metal hub helps the gear maintain its shape, even at high speeds and temperatures, so the gear lasts longer without deformation or breakage. It also provides for secure shaft attachment. The gears are precision machined from gravity-cast PowerCore blanks and other engineered materials. We use a proprietary process that ensures a homogeneous, crystalline structure, helping us to make gears with precision equal to metal, but requiring no lubrication. Our PowerCore gears have a cast-in metal hub that absorbs keyway stresses to transfer maximum torque to the composite material. We use stainless steel hubs for washdown and aluminum for low inertia applications. A unique tension-free crystalline structure enables the plastic outer gear to retain tensile and flexural strength, providing exceptional stability over time. What's more, PowerCore's noise levels are at least 6 decibels lower than conventional metal gears. With our proprietary gear durability calculation software program, Intech engineers can precisely predict the operating life of the PowerCore gear we design and build for you. No wonder that over the last 3 decades, more than 30,000 Intech PowerCore gears have been installed in a dizzying array of machines and applications by hundreds of manufacturers worldwide.